equals bullish uni value forecast is $5.99 to $9.93. Uniswap cost could likewise reach $8 soon. Bearish uni cost expectation for 2022 is $3.51. In Uniswap cost forecast 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about uni to dissect the future development of the digital currency. Uniswap current market status. As per CoinGecko, the cost of Uniswap is $6.06 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $162,118,644 at the hour of composing. Be that as it may, Uni has diminished by almost 0.6% as of now. Besides, Uniswap has a flowing stockpile of 456,489,583 Uni. Uniswap exchanges digital money trades like Binance, OKX, Coinbase Trade, Bybit, Gate.io. What is Uniswap? Uniswap is the administration badge of Uniswap, one of the completely decentralized trades. Uniswap is a decentralized trade convention existing on Ethereum. It furnishes the Ethereum network with robotized market creators and accordingly improves the simplicity of trading ERC20 tokens. Uni was sent off as an ERC20 token in 2020. Uniswap awards casting a ballot rights to the clients for partaking in the administration recommendations of Uniswap. Uniswap stage empowers permissionless posting of ERC20 tokens. Any recorded ERC20 token gets its own trade-savvy agreement and liquidity pool on Uniswap. Clients can exchange ERC20 tokens easily and can likewise add to the liquidity pool. Liquidity suppliers procure a 0.3% charge for adding to the pool. The cost of tokens on Uniswap is resolved in light of the organic market of the tokens held up in the pool. Uniswap was sent off in November 2018, and the ensuing updated MPhases V2 and V3 were sent off in 2020 and 2021 separately. Uniswap value expectation 2022. Uniswap stands firm on the 18th footing on CoinGecko at the present time. Uni cost expectation 2022 is made sense of beneath with an everyday time span. The above graph of Uniswap spread out a climbing triangle design. The rising triangle is a trademark example of a continuous bullish pattern. This triangle is framed by an even upper trend line that interfaces the highs and the lower trend line that associates the rising lows. Assuming the pattern breaks out at the opposition level, the cost will keep on climbing in this rising triangle design. Right now, Uniswap is in the scope of $6.33 assuming the example proceeds. The cost of Uni could arrive at the obstruction levels of $6.57 and $7.82. On the off chance that the pattern switches, the cost of Uni might tumble to $5.41 and $4.72. Uniswap backing and opposition levels. The diagram underneath shows the help and opposition levels of Uniswap. From the above day-to-day time period, we can plainly decipher the accompanying as the opposition and backing levels for Uniswap. The graphs show that Uniswap has played out a bullish pattern throughout the last month. Assuming this pattern proceeds, Uni could run alongside the bulls, surpassing its obstruction level at $9.93. As needs be, on the off chance that the financial backers betray the crypto, the cost of Uniswap could dive to nearly $3.51, a negative sign. Uniswap value forecast 2022. RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of Uniswap is displayed in the diagram beneath. It is a sign of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some stretch of time from the past exchanging volume. Right now, the RVOL of Uni lies beneath the end line, showing feeble members in the latest thing. Likewise, the moving normal of Uniswap is displayed in the graph above. Strikingly, the Uniswap cost lies under 50 MAMA, so it is in a downtrend. Right now, Uni has entered a negative state. Subsequently, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of Uni whenever. In the meantime, the overall strength list of the Uni is 49.73. This implies that Uniswap is in an oversold state. Nonetheless, this implies a significant value inversion of Uni might happen in the impending days. Along these lines, brokers need to painstakingly exchange. Uniswap value expectation 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional record of Uniswap. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The pointer is the normal of the growing cost range values. This framework endeavors to gauge the strength of cost development in the positive and negative bearings utilizing DMI markers with ADX. The above diagram addresses the ADX of Uniswap. Right now, the ADX of Uni lies in the scope of 31.02 and hence, it shows areas of strength for it. The above graph additionally addresses the general instability list of Uniswap. RVI estimates the steady deviation of cost changes throughout some stretch of time. The RVI of Uni lies over 50, demonstrating high unpredictability. As a matter of fact, the RSI of Uniswap is at 49.73, in this way affirming a potential purchase signal. Correlation of Uni with BTC, ETH. The underneath graph shows the cost correlation between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Uniswap. From the above outline, it tends to be deciphered that ETH and Uni are moving in a comparable pattern. This demonstrates that when the cost of ETH increments or diminishes, the cost of Uni likewise increments or diminishes individually. Uniswap value expectation 2023. Assuming the declining cost activity totally dials back in energy and the pattern turns around, Uniswap could likely achieve $10 by 2023. Uniswap value forecast 2024. With a few updates in the organization, Uniswap could enter a bullish direction. On the off chance that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, Uni could mobilize to hit $15 by 2024. Uniswap value expectation 2025. On the off chance that Uniswap supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 7 years, Uni would mobilize to hit $20. Uniswap value forecast 2026. If Uniswap supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, Uni would revitalize to hit $25. Uniswap value expectation 2027. In the event that Uniswap supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, Uni would energize to hit $30. Uniswap value forecast 2028. Uniswap holds up areas of strength for and as a superior speculation choice for the following 6 years in the midst of the patterns in the exceptionally unpredictable crypto market. By driving critical cost rallies, Uni would hit $35 in 2028. Uniswap value expectation 2029. Assuming financial backers run in and keep on putting down their wagers on Uniswap, it would observe significant spikes. Uni could hit $40 by 2029. Uniswap value forecast 2030. With more noteworthy headways in the essential consideration token ecosystem, the crypto local area could keep on putting resources into Uni for the following 8 years and drive huge cost rallies for the token. Thus, Uniswap could hit $45 by 2030. And, with persistent enhancements in the Uniswap network, we can say that 2022 is a decent year for Uni. Hence, the bullish value forecast of Uniswap in 2022 is $9.93. Then again, the negative value expectation of Uniswap for 2022 is $3.51. Moreover, with the headways and moves up to the essential consideration token environment, the presentation of Uni would assist with arriving at over its ongoing all-time high of $44.92 very soon. However, it could likewise reach $8 on the off chance that the financial backers accept that Uni is a wise interest in 2022. 1. What is Uniswap? Uniswap is the administration badge of Uniswap, a decentralized trade convention on Ethereum that works with the smooth trading of ERC20 tokens. Uni was sent off in 2020. 2. Where might you at any point buy Uniswap? Uniswap has been recorded on numerous crypto trades which incorporate Binance, OKX, Coinbase trade.